Let's say you have two values, 5 and 6, and you want to find the max value. The way you would do that is you would type in equals max, the first value, comma, the second value. Now, why does this return 0? The reason why this number is 0 is because these values over here might be a text value. The easiest solution is to either change this to a normal value, or if that's not possible, go down to your formula and type in 2 dashes. The reason for typing these dashes is that it converts number into a value. So if we press enter, we get the correct result. Now this only works if the values are actual numbers. For example, if we change this to a word, it no longer works. So you have to keep that in mind.